today we're here at Sheehy Motors and we're going to have a little look at some new technology that Volkswagen are bringing to us. So we're very privileged to have a system called Park Assist. And Park Assist is a way to help people to park their car in situations where parking spaces are tight in the city and so on. Volkswagen have introduced this technology in the last 2 years, but it's become extremely affordable. The changes in technology from the manufacturer have meant that we can now provide this kind of a very advanced technology at a very good price, really. We're talking about €800 or €900 on a Tiguan for a system that will self-park the car for you. And this is very clever. This is the plan from Volkswagen is to bring all these technologies to the market at a very affordable price, and they've certainly achieved that. So what we're going to do is we're going to spend a few minutes now just explaining the system to you, and hopefully you'll enjoy it and maybe even invest in it in the future. And this Tiguan has a relatively high specification, and included in it is a very high-spec touchscreen radio, CD player, telephone, and it has also some other bits and pieces, but most importantly for what we're doing today, it has the Park Assist system. So once I select the Park Assist system, I can see the distance that the car is from any object that's around it once it's close to the bumpers. And with a combination of this media interface, some buttons at the bottom, and a small display in the dashboard, all the feedback necessary to park the car using the Park Assist system is there and accessible for the driver. So we are going to park the car, and we're going to show you in action what the driver actually sees. In the case of the Tiguan, most of the technology is already on the car, so it makes it relatively simple to install the system, and it's inexpensive, probably €800 or €900 as coming from the factory. Park Assist is a particular benefit when you have a situation where there's a gap between two cars parked against a curb. So in this case here, we're just going to drive past, allow the system to measure the distance. There's an ultrasonic sensor on the side of the car, and it will tell the driver by means of the indicator in the dashboard the optimum position in which to stop before the system takes over. So now we have just stopped at the car's instruction, and we're starting to reverse with just gentle power, and the steering wheel will take a life of its own. And now the car is deciding the angle at which we will enter this parking space, and it's also telling me by means of feedback through the system how far back I should go. As soon as I hear the beeper coming to a continuous sound, I stop. Now the car is ready, and the car has decided it's perfectly okay for me to just park straight, and we're done. Simple as that.